Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your AirPods case for some reason is just not charging. Now, like I mentioned before, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the first thing I would recommend doing is your AirPod case at the bottom or whatever doesn't have anything stuck inside of it. So if you look inside of this charging port, there can be some times where, randomly there can be some gunk and some debris and stuff stuck in this little charging port. So the best thing you can do is get some sort of small plastic prying tool. Even this thing may be too big, and just kind of gently go inside and try to scrape out anything that may be stuck inside of this. Again, I don't think it's going to be that big of an issue, especially if it's a new pair of AirPods, but that's the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, another thing that can happen, which always, goes wrong with me for some reason, is actually with the charging cable itself. So maybe the charging cord that you're using to plug in here, maybe that's actually faulty. So what you can do is troubleshoot that. Maybe try a different wire, try a different charging port. You can also try a different, charging block, if you're plugging it in there or plug it into a computer instead. Try a couple things like that, see if that works. Now, another thing you can do with some of these AirPods that have wireless charging, which is like most of the AirPods nowadays, is to actually place your AirPods on a wireless charger pad. Sometimes this may end up working, and if you notice that that works, but when you plug it into the bottom that doesn't work, that may mean that the charging port that you have is fried and you're probably going to have to get that fixed, or you can just wirelessly charge your AirPod every single time. Now, if that works and that's really all you had to do, then that's pretty much all you have to do at that point. However, if that still doesn't work, then your AirPod case may actually end up having a problem. So you may have to go ahead and send it into Apple for them to fix it, or you can purchase a new pair of AirPods or whatever you want to do. But sometimes if your AirPods are still not doing that, the only other thing I can think of is letting them charge overnight. Sometimes that, maybe your AirPods were extremely dead and that's the only thing you can do. If that still doesn't fix it, then maybe you have to go and get a new pair of AirPods. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.